Hello everyone. I welcome you all aboard on this online course on research for researchers. The idea behind starting this research framework for researcher was to create an interaction among the researchers, so you get to know each other's research and also you get to identify what are the current trends in research. I'm focusing more on qualitative research, and hence I've scheduled for you all the layout on how we should be going about working on this. Now, if you look at it, everything is put up on the slide, so I'm not going to repeat what is there on slide, but I'll just walk you through quickly. First, we're talking about the research framework, where it describes the need for the research philosophy in humanity and social sciences. Then we are talking about the objectives. What is going to be the main objective of having this research framework? For me, using ICT is one of the major steps, because this is, you can work at any time and you can be working asynchronous mode and then communicate to them to your group when you are in a synchronized mode. Now, I have also posted certain course references which I call materials, and I would wish that you read through these materials and come prepared to interact in the group. Then besides, I've also given some pre-course reading that you will be doing, and I've given the main overview. Now when I'm talking about the overview, I've divided the entire research framework in two sections. The first section is the epistemologies, and in this section we will focus on 6 main orientation to knowledge, right from post-positivism to post-structuralism. Now again, this is not a must session, so you participate in what you feel is good, but it will be very nice if you interact in all these sessions. The second session will focus on the methodological approaches in relation to the 6 orientation. So here we will be talking about ethnography, action research, discourse analysis, case study, some of which you know, but you are not having an in-depth idea of how to go about it in research arena. Then, no course is, based on this course, I have certain course expectations. I would like you to react, read, explore, analyze, check out the whole possibilities and transfer your thoughts. Now, so you need, for this react, you have to create a personal mind map. Then you know the APA guidelines. Now, nothing comes free, so all this program comes with an assignment that you will have to participate in. So the assignments are an article abstract or a major paper in your own area. Remember, this will help you in publication for international journals. So the focus should further some aspect of your learning. You are encouraged to explore ideas and relate it to how you will be able to put this up in a proper format. The criteria for this is the depth of understanding, clarity of presentation, quality of argument, understanding representation references, use of appropriate grammar and simple writing style. Now, I've also posted the proposed seminar topics, which I'm not going to discuss. You can look at it, and then we will form groups online and we shall take it from there. Now again, I've just concluded with some readings for you, and I hope to see more interactions after these sessions. Thank you. Good luck.